نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 27. In this lesson we will be learning الظروف, which is adverbs, and we studied what is adverbs or اسم ظرف. If you remember, we studied اسم ظرف. اسم ظرف gives you an idea of a place or time, or when some work is done. So we studied اسم ظرف. It gives you an idea of place or time, when what time the thing has happened, or where that thing has happened. And we also studied that ظروف has two kinds: ظرف زمان, which is the adverb of time, and ظرف مكان, and the adverb of place. So zaman is time, makan is place. So the first one we will be studying is إذ. When you see in Hadith and Quran, إذ comes a lot. It has few meanings. Different place will give you different meanings. At least we should know. So إذ, the most meaning which is used is when. إذ is when. But the thing is, when it comes on فعل مضارع, it gives you the meaning of ماضي. It gives you the meaning of ماضي, or past tense. Even if it is on فعل مضارع. مضارع is present tense and future tense, but the meaning will change. So here it shows that after is, jumla ismiya and jumla fi'liya both can come. But right now we don't have to know that. At least if you know, that's good. For example, واذكروا إذ أنتم قليل. So واذكروا, and remember, إذ أنتم قليل, when you were less. إذ أنتم قليل, when you were less. See, the إذ is taking the sentence in the past tense. So واذكروا إذ أنتم قليل, and remember when you were less. In another place, وإذ يرفع إبراهيم القواعد من البيت. So here again, وإذ, and when Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam was raising al-qawa'id, the foundation, min al-bayt, of the Kaaba. So min al-bayt here means of the Kaaba, not from the Kaaba. So the meaning will be from bayt, the house, which is Kaaba. So here again, وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ, and when Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam was raising. So here the meaning was raising the foundation of the house, which is Kaaba. So here again the meaning is when, and it is taking in the past tense. So is comes from when and used for past tense. So here it says you don't have to know if you know the when, then sometimes it comes from sudden. خرجت إذا خرجت إذ مدير المدرسة ناظر. So خرجت, I came out, إذ مدير, is suddenly the mudir of the madrasa was watching. So here sometimes used for sudden, and sometimes it's used for al-an, because. Sometimes it is used because. لن ينفعكم اليوم إذ ظلمتم أنكم في العذاب مشتركون. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saying that you were together in punishment we will benefit you today because you oppressed. So here, because is ظلمتم, because of your ظلم. أنكم you في العذاب مشتركون, you will be together in the punishment. So her saying لن ينفعكم اليوم, that day will not help you or never benefit you because you were together in that oppression. So إذ ظلمتم, so here it is comes from, come for, because. So it comes for is when, mostly used for when, sometimes used for sudden, فالمفاجآت, sudden, something happens suddenly, then is used, and sometimes used because. So mostly used for when. Even if you know the when meaning, then you would know sometimes you use the because. So try to learn what is means. Is when. This is have to know. Is when, and it will give you the meaning of past tense. Just remember this, past tense, even if it comes on فعل مضارع. Just remember that. So inshallah, then when you will see a lot in Quran that is comes, and there's another one إذا. So inshallah, we'll study that tomorrow. Inshallah. So study hard. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the tawfiq to understand. And may Allah make it easy for us to understand. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.